So today we are going to do crostata. Tart. This is what we are going to do in today's program. It is called crostata. Those who live here in Italy as well knows what I'm saying. So we are going to do this today. So for you to continue watching, keep subscribing and let's get into the kitchen. As we can see, these are the ingredients that we need to do our crostata. In Italy, it is called crostata. I do not know what it is called in English, but I did some translation. It is called tarts. We need 500 gram of flour, salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Here is our lemon. We need that. We need 2 yolk and 1 full egg. We have 250 gram of our butter. Here we have 200 gram of our sugar. We have our vanilla. We have albicoca for this crostata. This is what we are going to fill into this mixture, so it will form what we want. So these are the things we need. So let's get started. So now this is what we are going to use in doing this. We have to pour in our flour, sugar, baking powder. So we are going to mix this together. Now we are mixing it. We're going to make a hole. In this hole we are going to add in our eggs. Like I told you people, this is our 2 yolk. This is our egg, 1 full egg, like I told you people. We're also going to add a pinch of salt. Also going to add lemon juice. We're going to add our 1 salt level, like I said. We are going to mix this together, but instead of me using my hand, I am going to use my mixer. So now we are going to mix that. So I am going to bring it out and use my hand to do the remaining. Now I'm going to transfer my work into this table and use my hand and do the remaining. So right now we have molded it into this form. We are going to use our cling, transparent cling, to cover it. Now we are going to leave this in our fridge for 1 hour. Then we'll bring it out. So you have to spray your pan with oil. So you make a hole once you are done before you pour the jam inside it. You can as well use your knife to cut off this excess. So it's time to cut out. Right now we are going to pop in our parts into the oven. We are going to leave it for 20 minutes. Hello everyone. I hope you enjoyed what we did today, our crostata. I don't know if you really do. I do. I really do enjoy. This is what we did, and we get to test and see. It's like biscuit. Yummy. You really need to try it out. This is very wow. This is biscuit, but it is different because of the thing that is inside. That thing that is called marmalade. The inside of it. You can see it inside. I don't know. But if you can watch through, you will see it. It is inside it. That's what I hope you really do enjoy this video. And please, if you really do, give us some thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Share our videos. Sharing is caring. Thank you for staying to the end of this program. And don't forget, keep subscribing. Send to your friends and family. Let them subscribe to this channel. You get all our recipes. So this is one of the Italian snacks that I chose to do today. So more are still coming on your way. Keep subscribing for more videos. Thank you and have a wonderful and fabulous day. Bye bye.